What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install the different language packs for Battlefield 6 on your PS5. Start by highlighting the Battlefield 6 application on your home screen. Once you're on it, press the options button on your controller. A menu will pop up and from there choose manage game content. This is where all the extra add-ons and language files for the game are stored. After you open that, scroll down and you'll see a list of the available language data packs. Each language shows up as a separate downloadable item. Just select the one you want. Let's say you want Chinese and open it. You'll see a small download icon next to it. Go ahead and click on install. As soon as you do that, the PS5 will add it to your downloads list and it will start installing in the background. Once the download is finished, you can switch to that language inside the game itself. Just open the in-game settings, look for the audio or language section and choose the pack you installed, and that's all you need to do to add new languages in Battlefield 6. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.